All right. Thank you for joining me. Let's turn up the music. All right. So what we're here. Thank you again on the April the 25th, 2020, and we're going to be talking about AGI with a few others that I have just went down a list here on this Saturday. Just want to get something out there and for my audience. Want to get something to see where we at on some of these. Let's make some money here. Let's get in some bull markets. So I have a list of here, and before I go over AGI, guys may want to write these down. I'll tell you what. There we go. So my list going over to the far left, I only got to AGI here and between here. So did I make I made a video on FSM silver miners, fortune of silver miners. This one here is also a close one. I'm gonna try to keep my eye on. This one looks like a potential buy in SBSW. And the still waters here. Let's see. Let's go ahead and pull it up. And my last one, of course, that we just left, this is the one I'm gonna talk about. But briefly, I just wanted to give a quick. I think over here, I think I'm gonna go through all of these real quick, super quick. And so this one here has me on a potential. These are the ones I kind of want to follow along on a more daily, weekly basis, and I will probably look into making more individual videos about these particular ones so that they could actually, so we can pinpoint a little bit more. But I look at these as more healthier buys. The next one, did I go to BTG? Let's go and pull up BTG. B2 Gold Corp. Woo! B2 Gold Corp already look like it's shooting out of here. B2 Gold Corp is trying to get out of here, guys. B2 Gold Corp is trying to get away. They were not able to push down on a large participation back on the 2nd of March. We're on a monthly candle. So March 2020, we needed them to break the $2.40 area, and they were not able to do so. Strong support was still hovering around from the prior 2016 motion. So from 2016 up until in the same that year, we had strong support, and it seems like it wanted to continue. And so what we want to do here, this particular one is BTG. We want to, over the months, it would need to create another buy area. So getting back, currently we're at the 539, and if it comes back to test this 428 or so, 428, 440, something like that, we expect that to happen. And we want to see it show a very slow progressing volume coming back to that price, and we will look into that to be a more of a continue to the upside here. So we're just going to skip on over that one. That looked like a very good one to the upside, and I will get more in detail with these here as video and time permits. The next one is HMY. What is HM? So HL wasn't good, CLF wasn't good for me, and HMLY, Harmony Gold Mining, was another one that caught my eye. And let's take a quick analysis here on Harmony Gold Mining. So they are currently at $3 and so, $3.93 or so, and I'm looking at support around the $1.70 mark area. Not to say that we can't get below that, but at the same token, I'm expecting this to continue to hold. We did have volume after we had a weak sale as well. We had a weak sale here from the prior month, and again, even on this one here, once we're actually approaching that $4.03, which is the actual drop off, the hill drop off area. And so we should get some more resistance when we get up to $4.75. So I would expect more resistance at the 475. I would expect a continuation here. I expect this to continue and get on up to the 475. Then I expect it possibly to bring itself and test back down here in these areas of the three of the 354s or so, something in that realm or so, and then I would expect a continuation back up to the 645, and hopefully it just pops on through and gets its tail on up to the $8 here, 8.50 cents or something in that range. So that's another one, HMY, that I do look at for a potential buy. The last one before we get to the primary one is IAG, not AGI, but IAG, Intel Consolidated Airlines Group. Let's see, is this the one I was looking at? Ooh, that looks scary. So I got them on my list as a close watch. I look at this here. They're currently they reached down to the $2.35. If this continues to hold in this month of April on the green here, if this holds and continues to hold here, then I will consider this to be a buy. And so again, it's one of those ones you want to watch on a regular, little closer basis. But around this $2.45, I expect this to hold above $2. Okay, we did get some strong selling to come down on this here. Got a lot of people out, broke through some things. If we stay below this $3 or so and continue to sell off, then I might be a little bit more worried of this here. Although it may pop to the upside, I probably wouldn't expect no more than $3.99. But if we do start to make our way above this $3, above the $3 area, and sit above here on this $3, then I would hope and expect us to get back up to the 570 mark area at least, and see how that works. But that's what it seems like it should be testing. This particular volume bar is strong. It has a lot of, keep your eyes on it. It's big and red and long, and that is the whole concept, and keep people at bay. So this one is a weak, to me, a climax weak sell bar, and could not break prior support at the 175 area. Met the $2 support area. $2 support area. Actually didn't even get down to the 175. It couldn't even get past the $2.02 support area. Pretty tight, but that's what we do here. We are very technical analysts. And by me saying that, let's go ahead and get this disclosure out of the way. This is for my practice purposes only. This is for my record keeping. And again, you are to seek your own legal advice. And with that, we do not like to sit here and try to hold out any responsibilities of getting back and reporting information on the clock. I actually make my earnings totally different. This is for practice purposes and for other clients, other people that are interested in seeing how to trade the market. Okay, so my last one I want to go on is for right now is AGI. I'm going to come back later on possibly with some more, but I definitely just wanted to create a video, create some things. Almost Gold Inc. Okay, so here on a monthly, should come up off that, but here We are currently at the price of $8.07, and we had some weak selling as well that took place, but not from here, but from here. So we're looking. I want to see this particular one. This is one I want to see it get up to this $9, almost pretty much. No. I want to see it get up here, $10.54, and I want to see a green candle with a body sitting right here. Okay, at $10.54 from this $8, I want that green candle to be busting through this yellow line. Okay, can I get that? Can I get that and be very precise? Those two lines, $10.54, $10.18, or whatever, $10.08. Can we get it to bust directly through that? Then I would expect a pullback. Once it gets there, then I would expect it to come back, and I would then expect my support to be back here, back all the way back to where it started. So people are not surprised. I don't want people to be surprised or anything like that, but I expect it to get back here before we actually test it a couple times, and then make its way on up. Okay, so it's not like it's about to go and get on up here to this XO, this X of $15 potentially on this one here. So we do have an opportunity to watch it, continue to watch it over the periods of months. Oh my goodness, months. Oof. All right, so like I say, around $6 or so, $6.41, $6.15 something cents. I expect it to be another buy. I do expect a buy right now. It potentially may just continue right here and actually make its way on through up to this $15 before it pulls back to back to the $10, and before it starts to make its way back on up and even try to get on up to the $20. But right now, I expect it to hopefully get its way here and go through it. But if it does sit here and it does not show, or if it shows a body and it pulls back any one particular time after a green candle, if I see any more red candles, then it's a sell off back to the $6. And then you reevaluate it, because it's going to be choppy. It's going to be up and down, up and down, up and down, all the way back down to the $6. And if that's the case, that's a beautiful thing. That is what we are looking for. We want it to get here to the $10 and then come back down to the $6, up and down, 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 and then up. All right. So thank you again for your patience. Thank you for your time. I just wanted to kind of put some things out there to follow along here and understand more about trading. Again, hit the like button. All right. Thank you again. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.